Welcome to the Wong Reviewer. My name is Will, where I do tech unboxing, tech reviews, and tech tutorials. In today's episode, I am reviewing the CrazyCap Pro by a company called Waatr, W-A-A-T-R. Last year for my birthday, my wife got me the Crazy Cap2, which was a UV LED powered water purification and self-cleaning water bottle. And so this is what I have here. It's deep UV LED. And I've been using this for over a year now. I use it at work, at home, when I do sports activities. This goes everywhere with me. I even took it to on my travels as well. And it's worked very well because it still keeps the inside clean. And the main reason why my wife got it for me was I never clean my water bottles, especially the inside. It was just really hard to clean the inside and scrub it. And if you look at my old video of my original one on this, you can see that the yellow water bottle I had some grunge and kind of started growing stuff inside. And so my wife called me disgusting at the time and decided to get this for me because it was probably a healthier option for me. So this is what I have. So fast forward to a month ago, the company that created the CrazyCap UV LED purifying and self-cleaning water bottles is a company called Waatr, W-A-A-T-R. And they saw my video and they reached out to me and wanted to know if I wanted to check out the CrazyCap Pro, which I have here. And so they were gracious enough and sent this unit to me for review. So they sent me the green forest green water bottle, which looks really nice. I like the color. They sent me a bottom sleeve as well as the handle. So today's video, I am going to be doing a review between the CrazyCap 2 and the CrazyCap Pro. What are the differences? Which one you should be getting? And again, my overall impressions of why I keep using a UV LED purifying water and the self-cleaning water bottle. All right, so as you're watching, you find this video helpful, please remember to give it a thumbs up, like the video, and consider subscribing to my channel for similar content. So let's talk about the unboxing here. So they did send me a few items, which I'll go through in detail. And again, I'm very fortunate that Waatr sent this to me. And they do have a special card that says, "We believe in a world where everyone can access clean, safe drinking water to elevate their quality of life in the most sustainable way." This is the CrazyCap Pro. So UVC intelligent power, patented shield extends life of product, and triple insulation technology. And then some other highlights is the dual purification mode, UVC LED light ray technology, self-cleaning bottle, which I really like, a drink reminder, a portless charger, also has a UVC LED smart safety sensor, it's rechargeable battery, and has a lifetime warranty. And the most important thing is it destroys 99.9999% of E. coli, but that's only in pro mode, but this is great if you're traveling, you're not sure about the water. And this is the kale version color. Looks really nice. They also sent me the Waatr branded holder for my water bottle, which is kale color, which is nice. And they also sent me a protective silicone boot for the bottom of the bottle. And this is what I have here. I'm just gonna quickly tear it open. Here's the silicone boot with branded CrazyCap. And it's great just to protect surfaces if you don't want the metal scraping onto surfaces, or if you want to keep it from sliding around. Here I am putting the ring holder on my water bottle. I'm not gonna lie, it was a bit of a struggle trying to put this on, but eventually I got it. You just kind of have to put some force into it, and eventually got onto the water bottle with no issues at all. So finally I got the ring holder on, and it's pretty sturdy. As you can see here, once it's full of water, it's pretty solid. And here I am putting the silicone boot at the bottom of my water bottle. Again, this is a very easy installation process. You just kind of flip it over and slide it on. This is a great way of having an added protection onto your water bottle. Reduces the noise, especially when you put it on your table, and also keeps it from sliding around. Here I just want to demonstrate how advantageous it is to have the holder accessory. So here you can see the water bottle is full, and I can lift that with my finger. It's nice and easy to carry that way. And I also take it to work, so I have it able to attach it to my carabiner on my bag, and take it. I'm not worried about it stretching or breaking, and it won't come off at all from the bottle. So that's something I really appreciate about having the accessory as well, and it's something I would definitely recommend if you do get one of these bottles. Water claims that it can keep its liquid really cold for a long period of time, so I wanted to test this out. So I filled my water bottle with chunks of ice, and I filled it with water, and I took a temperature of it as well. So it's 10:42 a.m. in the morning. I take my thermal gun here, temperature gun, and we'll zap it. Just trying to get it inside, and it is -4 degrees Celsius. So that was at 10:40 a.m. in the morning. So I took a temperature 5 hours later at 3:40 p.m. in the afternoon. I took a temperature of the outside of the bottle and it was 28.2 degrees Celsius. So here I am taking the temperature reading of the water inside. And it is -5.4 degrees Celsius. And I'm going to try and show you here, but if you look inside, I don't know if you can kind of see it there, but there's actually still chunks of ice in the water bottle. I'm impressed with the insulation qualities of the water bottle and the fact that it kept it very cold for 5 hours, which is probably enough time to determine if it's working or not. And I started at 0.4 degrees Celsius and went to -5.2, so this is fantastic. I do want to highlight some features. So if you tap it once on the top, it gives you a color indicator status to let you know if it needs to be charged. And one charge is about 5 days with self-cleaning on. It's just putting the charger on top of the cap and plugging it into a compatible USB charger or a wall outlet. And they'll stay orange, and it takes 3 to 4 hours to fully charge. Self-cleaning mode is what I turned on first, so you long press for 3 seconds and it'll automatically self-clean for every hour with the UV light. And the normal mode is for 30 seconds of sterilizing the bottle or the water, and it's just a double tap and they'll shine blue for 30 seconds. Pro mode is you tap it 3 times and it will sterilize the water for 3 minutes and the UV light will be on. If you're wondering between the Pro version and the Cap2 version, the website is a pretty good chart to tell you what are the different features related to each version. So let's take a quick look. So first of all, the Pro version, the UVC LED power is 20 MW versus the CrazyCap2, which is 15 MW. The website claims that it's 100 times more purification and 4 times more self-cleaning than other UV bottles. In terms of the germicidal efficacy, it is 99.99% for both, and when you round it up, it's about the same thing, and that's if you just do the 1 tap. However, in the Pro version has the Pro mode verification where it does like 99.999%, sterilizes the water for 3 minutes with the UV light. Has a self-cleaning bottle every hour for the Pro, and the CrazyCap2 is every 4 hours. The hydration reminders every 30 minutes. A green light will flash to remind you to drink water. And then in the Pro version has a safety sensor, which means as soon as it's on and it's sterilizing, when you lift it off the lid, it doesn't show up anymore, or actually turns off so you can't blind yourself with it. And then the last thing is the surface sterilization, the CrazyCap2. You can actually power the UV light and use it to shine on surfaces. And so that's kind of the difference between the safety sensor turning it off in the Pro and the surface sterilization in the CrazyCap2. All right, so what is the price difference between the Pro model and the version 2 model? The Pro model retails for $99 USD, and this version 2 retails for $79 USD. So it's a difference of $20. And it's really up to you whether you think the extra features of the Pro model, such as the Pro mode for 3 minutes of UV sterilization, the drink reminder, and the hourly cleaning, whether that's something that you think is worth an extra $20. And in terms of accessories, I would definitely get the CrazyCap ring holder or bottle holder. This really makes it a lot easier for me to drink, use, and handle, and as you saw, it was very functional to use. In terms of silicone boot, that's really up to you. I'd be okay if I had it or I didn't have it, so, but this definitely, I would definitely get one of these. As you can see, I actually got one for my original version 2 as well. It's just so much handier. Overall, I'm really impressed with the upgrades that Waatr has done to the CrazyCap lineup, especially the Pro version, in terms of the Pro mode, drink reminder and the hourly cleaning, I think is fantastic upgrade features. And the insulation of the water bottle itself, as you saw in the video, even after 5 hours, there's still a chunk of ice in there. It was like -5 degrees Celsius, which is awesome. And so for $20, I would definitely recommend just doing the upgrade to the Pro model. But again, it shows the ingenuity and the development that CrazyCap is putting into their product. So kudos to them. I will leave a link in the description below of the Waatr website, waatr.com website, and you can check out more of the products down there. Okay, now that I got that over with, I do want to address some comments I received when I did my original video of the version 2 CrazyCap. A lot of people were asking me, why do you need a UV sterilization water bottle? And are you immunocompromised? And I got a whole bunch of wacky comments on my video about it. And so the main reason why I got it was to really sterilize the inside of the water bottle. And I kind of addressed that in the first part of the video that I did today. The self-cleaning aspect of it was really good because it's really hard to clean water bottles inside. You know, the opening is really small. It's hard to kind of clean it. And plus, sometimes I'm lazy. And so having that sterilization process is good. And the Pro model cleans it every hour, which is even better than every 4 hours. I do use the water sterilization function every now and then. For my job, I travel quite a bit to different cities and different towns across Canada. And actually in the hotel rooms, I do fill it with the tap, but then I actually turn on the normal mode, and sterilize the water just to drink. And it's just, for me, it's just ease of mind when I'm at the hotels, just to drink the water, that I can at least sterilize the water because I don't know what's going on in the taps. I do go hiking, and I have taken the version 2 last year when I went hiking. So we have melted snow, we drink from streams, or from old water pumps and wells. And so I have an MSR water filtering system that I filter it once through, and then I put the clean water through here to just sterilize the water and drink. Especially when you're out in the country hiking, backpacking, the last thing I want to do is get sick and not be able to hike back out. And so that's when I use the water sterilization function. So hopefully that addresses some of the questions that you have for me about using a UV sterilized water bottle. All right, so if you have any more questions or comments, please leave it down below. Thank you all for watching, and until next time.